Osama bin Laden, son of self-made billionaire Mohammed bin Laden, and the co-founder and first leader of the terrorist organization Al-Qaeda. He was first known for his fighting with the Mujahideen forces against the Soviet Union in Afghanistan. He became famous for his clash with the Saudi royalty when they rejected his personal legion of soldiers in favor of American armed forces during the Iraqi invasion of Kuwait in 1990. His criticism of the Saudi king resulted in his loss of Saudi citizenship. After a time in Sudan, he returned to Afghanistan with Al-Qaeda and issued a fatwa in which he declared war on the United States. The first bombing that he directed was in 1992, when 2 bombs aimed at American Marines were detonated at hotels in Yemen. In 1993, bin Laden encouraged violence over negotiation in Algeria, which caused a war that killed almost 200,000 people. He funded the Luxor massacre of 62 tourists in 1997. In 1998, 2 U.S. embassies were simultaneously hit by truck bombs that killed over 200 people. The attacks were carried out by the Egyptian Islamic Jihad, who were known associates of Al-Qaeda. In 2000, the USS Cole was attacked by suicide bombers that killed 17 and injured 39. Bin Laden's most infamous attack was the September 11th bombings. 2 planes were hijacked and flown into the World Trade Center towers, a third into the Pentagon, and a 4th was taken back by its passengers and crashed in a field before completing its mission. The attacks killed 3,000 civilians, injured countless others, and infuriated the American public. The face of bin Laden became a symbol of evil and terrorism in the Western world, and his apprehension became of paramount importance to the US and other Western powers. The hunt was on. After the 1998 embassy bombings, President Clinton authorized Operation Infinite Reach. This was a series of airstrikes that included the launching of 13 cruise missiles at a Sudanese pharmaceutical plant and 75 Tomahawk missiles at Al-Qaeda training camps in Khost, Afghanistan. Bin Laden escaped the missile strikes by only a few hours. In 2001, the US attacked Al-Qaeda forces that were fortified in the mountains of Tora Bora. A relentless aerial bombardment drove the insurgents out, but a lack of follow-up with ground troops by the US allowed bin Laden to escape once again. The US raided the caves again in 2007, killing dozens of Al-Qaeda and Taliban, but failing to find bin Laden. Finally, on May 2, 2011, President Obama approved Operation Neptune Spear, the mission to kill bin Laden. After years of surveillance, the CIA was positive that bin Laden was hiding in a walled compound in Abbottabad, Pakistan. Satellite images show the area being an empty field in 2004, and then covered by a fortified complex in later photos. The compound was surrounded by 18-foot walls topped with barbed wire. The plan was simple. At 1 a.m., a team of Navy SEALs were flown into the compound in Blackhawks that were modified with extra stealth equipment. They were backed up by Chinooks carrying extra SEALs plus 50 cals and miniguns. The plan was for the first helicopter to hover over the compound, and the SEALs would fast rope in. However, it experienced a problem known as a vortex ring state, which decreased the effective lift and caused it to crash inside the compound walls. Nobody was hurt and the helicopter was destroyed by SEALs to avoid capture. The other helicopter landed outside the walls without incident. The SEALs scaled the walls and the assault began. The compound was breached with explosives and the SEALs moved throughout the complex. Bin Laden was found on the 3rd floor where he was looking through his bedroom door. A shot was fired at him and he retreated into the room. The SEALs entered the room where he was using a woman as a shield. The SEALs promptly put 2 shots into his forehead and a few more as he fell. The raid took just under 40 minutes. Bin Laden's body was sampled for identification and then buried at sea since no country would accept his remains.